On the light. Okay, yep. Plus all. Ah. Oh, there it is. I'm probably not getting it right. It's one of the newer ones, so. I don't really know. 100 HP, which is pretty cool, even though it's probably not a lot for this game. I think it's an okay amount, I guess. I don't know. Oh. There we go. Okay, next. Zipstrika. I think I said the name wrong last. Hello? Focus, are you there? Okay, yeah, mask. Finally, something different. There we go. Okay, next one. Halloween at that time.